y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hannah, and today's video is going to be a Shein try-on haul. I have a very big package here. I've never ordered this much from Shein before, so I'm excited to see what we got. I literally forgot what I bought. I ordered it and I looked at the order once. I never tracked the shipping or anything, so this is really my first impression. But yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing this try on haul, then keep watching. So y'all, honestly, I'm just picking out what I see first, and yeah, let's just get into it. I'm excited. So y'all, the first thing I see is this jacket, and it looks like this. Is super cute. It's like plaid, and then it has this white hoodie. And yeah, let's go ahead and try it on. So y'all, this is the jacket. I really do like it. It's really soft. I got this in an extra small. Everything will be linked down below. Yeah, and then that's the back. And yeah, I really like this. Okay y'all, so pulling the next thing out of the bag. This is like a really cool long sleeve that I saw on the website. It's like this graphic long sleeve. I thought it was really different. You guys will see it on. But yes, let's try it out. So this is the graphic long sleeve I was talking about. It's cute, but it's so tight. I got this in an extra small as well. If you're looking at this top, I would definitely size up. Oh y'all, I'm out of breath trying to fit this on. It's cute, really cute. There's a little mock neck turtleneck. There's a designer with this logo, which is really, I don't know what designer it is, but Kylie Jenner wears it. Y'all know what I'm talking about. With that half moon. But yeah, it just has graphics all over. It's really cute. It's really cute, but I'm out of breath. This might have to be returned or go on Depop, but it's super cute. Y'all, that last shirt took a lot out of me. And another thing, it's swimsuit material. That's another thing to look out for if you're looking for the shirt. Size up, and also keep in mind it is neoprene. That's how I say it, neoprene. You know, swimsuit material. It's not cotton. It's a bikini. It's like bikini fabric. I'm so out of breath and so shocked from that shirt. It's so cute, but it was so tight on me. I think I might buy it again in a small or change it. I shouldn't rebuy it. I'll probably change it for a small and probably get a new color. I don't know, we'll see, because I literally like that shirt. Did I get makeup on the package? Y'all see that? Wow, anyway. Next item. Okay, so these are boy shorts. Orange boy shorts. I saw a shirt on Shein. I believe I actually got shirt as well, but I saw a shirt on Shein that was paired with these, and I want to add more color in my wardrobe. So I'm gonna try these on. Okay, so this is what they look like. And they kind of match the shirt I'm wearing now, because the shirt I'm wearing has some orange in it, but I mean they're pretty cool. These are also tight. I don't know if I'm getting thick or Shein is, I don't know, but I like to get things in an extra small, but I don't know now. Let me make sure this was an extra small. Yeah, this was an extra small as well. So I don't know, they're cute. I do like them. Yeah, they're cute though. I like the length and everything. I like the way they fit. They are just a little tight, but these are just basic neon orange biker shorts. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I ain't even put my pants back on or my shorts. But let's look at the next item. Okay, so this is a Miami sweatshirt. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but there's like these, you know, just pretty basic. They'll have little graphics like this on it and things like that, but these are really trendy nowadays. Like the Nike sweatshirts are really trendy right now, and things like that. So I thought this Miami one would be super cute because I love Miami. And yeah, I'm gonna try it on. It's way thinner. I thought it was gonna be more of a sweatshirt, but it is kind of like a long sleeve shirt. So let's try it on. Okay y'all, so this is how this shirt is fitting. I like the fit. It looks a little more yellow. Looks a little more yellow. It probably looks super yellow on camera, but that's fine. Yeah, this is cute. It's comfortable. I have enough wiggle room and everything in it. I really do like it. Also got this in a size small, I believe. I'm gonna link everything down below, but I believe this is size small. And yeah, super basic, just has Miami in red lettering. Very cute. And yeah. Okay y'all, this Miami shirt is pretty comfortable. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna stay in it, but I don't really need to get up. Well, I might get up, I'll still show you guys. But this is a purse. This is like the dupe of like the Louis Vuitton purse with like the little pouch and then the little purse. I'll show y'all. So it comes with like the big pouch, the little pouch, just like the little circle part that's on your strap, and then the little purse. You know, y'all know how they have like the little Prada purses like this and little Louis Vuitton ones like this. I'll add in pictures of those bags if you happen to not know what I'm talking about. But yeah, this is, hold on, like look, I like that. This makes me want to have a daughter. Anyway, I'm back to reality. Fuck them kids. Sorry. But yeah. It's really cute. I like it. I don't really carry this around. Oh my god, somebody take me out on a Valentine's Day date. I'm bringing this on my Valentine's Day date, bitch. Or I take myself out Valentine's Day, but I don't know. Because this is cute. So I'm gonna try to put it together, and then this is like the strap part. I don't know why you give. Okay, let's see. I'm just confused because where does this go on the strap? Oh. Okay. So. Okay. And then strap on. Okay, y'all, so I don't know where I forgot how the little bag like works into like the strap in the big bag. But yeah, this is a cute little 3-piece bag set because you can always unhook this, put it on another bag, you know, like even put it on your keys. If you have an extra set of keys like me and you like big things on your keys, this could go on your keys. You keep a couple dollars. But yeah, I mean, you could just wear them as like separate bags, I guess, because child, I don't know how to do that. I thought it was gonna come together, but whatever. This little bag I am obsessed with. I feel like these little, I forgot what these types of purses are called, but I feel like these little mother effers right here, baby. Okay, next item. So this is a jacket that I'm very surprised I got, because I wouldn't think that I would like this jacket. I'm gonna show y'all. It's color block pink and black. I just do not see myself buying this jacket, but we are going to try it on one time. For the one time, it's not ugly, but I just don't see myself, I don't know, but we'll see. Y'all, it looks so pretty on camera too. Y'all, I like this. Make me wanna I like this. I'm so surprised I like this. Y'all, I like this. It's a little loose, but I like the way it fits. I'm trying not to show y'all my tatas. But this is so super cute. I like it. I might wear this weekend. I might wear this out this weekend. I really like this jacket. So yeah, y'all, isn't that funny? I thought I wasn't gonna like it. I'm trying to make sure I get a good look and make sure I like this jacket. I do like the jacket, but when I go out in it, I'm gonna wear it like off the shoulder. I can't show y'all that now because I don't want YouTube to block me forever. But yes, this is very much cute, very much gives me very much pink ladies from Greece. I like it. Y'all, tell me why I found another piece to the purse from earlier. Why? It was supposed to be a 3-piece set, not rocket science, bro. Like, what you... Where does this even go to? Oh my god, this just gave me nostalgia. Well, bad nostalgia. Y'all know how y'all parents was about to whip you and they did the belt like this? No, when they did the belt. Okay, first of all, anyway, this is giving me very much, I'm about to whoop you, I'm about to give you something to cry about. Anyway, but like, where does this go? Where does she go? I'm so tired of that purse. It's so cute though. Okay, next item. I don't know what this is. So. Oh. Okay. This is a 4 tank top set. 4-piece tank top set. They have this, it's like the same shirt in different colors. I'm gonna show you one. Show you one of them. But I'm gonna open this one back. Shein, baby. Shein ain't have to do all that. Shein ain't have to do all that. But they're like cropped little tank tops. And they're all in different colors. And I got this in extra small, so I'm excited. This mauve one is super cute. The gray one. The white one's super cute. Y'all, my outfit for this weekend is coming together thanks to Shein. But yeah, they're very cute. I'm not gonna like unwrap every single one and show y'all, but I'm just gonna try on one of them real quick. I'm really about to unwrap another one, but whatever. I'll try on the gray one for y'all because I feel like the gray is gonna be like my favorite. Okay, so this is the gray one. They're like super cropped, just like mini tank tops. I'm sorry if it looks like bumpy as hell in this area. I couldn't find nipple covers. We're just improvising right now. But yeah, they're cute. I really love the balloon pink ones, but they're so cute. The white one is gonna be my favorite. I feel that already. If it's if the weather is like good enough, I'm wearing the white one on Saturday. But I like it. Yeah, basically they're really basic. They were a good price. It was like 4 of these for a very low price that I can't remember, but it will be in the link down below. So yes, it's very cute. I know I had like 3 different shirts on this whole video. I literally am now leaving the gray crop top I just showed y'all on. But this is the last and final item, and this is the item that I got to match with those orange biker shorts that I showed you. I'm pretty sure everything was in an extra small. This is also an extra small. Look how big it is. It's like an oversized tee. Yeah, so I'm just trying this on real quick and we'll be done. So this is the shirt. I do like it. It's oversized or whatever. Has the graphics on the front, the bleach look all over. This material is not cotton either. It reminds me of Dry Fit, like Nike Dry Fit. So that's the material. And yeah. So y'all, why is this the 10th shirt that y'all see me in this video? Anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. That was the end of the video. Please comment down below your favorite pieces. Everything will be linked down below for you guys' shopping pleasure. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.